What if I told you that you can make a simple 5-volt feedback regulator using just a few components salvaged from a dead PC power supply? No ICs, no complex circuitry, just a MOSFET, 2 resistors, and a Zener diode. And the best part? It holds nearly the same 5-volt output, whether you feed it 12 volts or even 24 volts. Let's build and test it step by step. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple 5-volt feedback regulator using a power MOSFET. This is a great small project for beginners and electronics hobbyists who want to understand voltage regulation in a simple way. Here are the components we are using. One P540A power MOSFET taken from a dead PC power supply. One 10K ohm quarter-watt resistor. One 560K ohm quarter-watt resistor. One 5-volt Zener diode. And that's it, just 4 components. Understanding MOSFET pins. First, let's understand the MOSFET pins. Hold the MOSFET facing you with the pins downward. From left to right, first pin is the gate, second pin is the drain, third pin is the source. Knowing these pins is very important for correct connections. Now let's connect the circuit step by step. First, take the 10K ohm resistor and connect it between the MOSFET gate and drain pins. Next, take the 5-volt Zener diode. Connect the cathode side of the diode to the MOSFET gate pin. After this, take the 560K ohm resistor and connect it between the MOSFET gate and source pins. And that's it. Our circuit is now complete and ready for testing. Now take a 12-volt battery or power supply. Connect the positive terminal to the MOSFET drain pin. Connect the negative terminal to the Zener diode anode side. We take the output from the MOSFET source pin, and the output negative comes directly from the battery or supply negative terminal. Testing results. As you can see on the multimeter screen, we get close to 5 volts with a 12-volt battery. Now I am connecting another 12-volt battery in series to increase the input voltage. Still, the output remains close to 5 volts. Even with a 24-volt supply, the result is the same. The output voltage stays nearly constant around 5 volts. Circuit working explanation. Now let's understand how this circuit works. The Zener diode controls the voltage at the MOSFET gate. When the voltage tries to rise above 5 volts, the Zener diode conducts and limits the gate voltage. This automatically adjusts the MOSFET conduction and stabilizes the output voltage. The 10K resistor helps provide gate bias from the drain, while the 560K resistor ensures proper feedback and stability between gate and source. Together, these components create a simple feedback regulator that keeps the output voltage nearly constant even when the input voltage changes. Remember, this simple regulator is suitable for low current applications. For higher current loads, proper heat sinking and protection circuits are required. If you enjoyed this project and learned something new, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more electron experiments. Also, comment below if you want to see more simple regulator or MOSFET projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.